What are you doing, Callie?
There's one.
Are you pushing one out? Yeah, I think you are.
The back, right before this.
Yeah?
Let me see this one sec. Sure.
What are you doing?
Oh, right here.
Yeah?
It's known as like a purple, red, or pink splotch, and it's usually found on the back of the neck. Here, I'll show you. Can I grab
We're going to
one?
show her birthmark?
Yeah.
Sure, let's show it to everyone.
See? See it?
We're going to have to
Right
turn
there.
her to the light. Yeah, you can see it right there.
See?
Yeah, that might go away.
Yeah. They usually say they go away within like 1 to 2 years.
What are you doing, Grandma?
Oh, I'm studying about baby.
Yeah? Oh, about her birthmark?
Yes.
What are you doing?
That's Grandma Judy, everyone.
Yes, Grandma Judy loves being a grandma.
You want to be up?
Too bad. Too late. Turn off her.
She likes to sit up like big people. She's growing every day, bigger, more alert.
Yeah, her likes to sit up like big people's, huh, baby?
Before you know it, she'll be getting teeth. Yeah. Yes, where's your smile, huh? You almost smiled.
Where is your smiles? Hey. You got a booger. That's why I call him my little booger.
It's funny when we do this noise. We got Luna in the background.
Yeah.
Are you gonna smile for me?
I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'll try to get closer. I don't know if she'll do it, but she might. Hey, Solara.
Yeah, you make it a speaker.
Hey, Solara. You gonna dance? You gonna dance? Yeah? You gonna dance?
Big girl.
Yeah. Oh, Gangnam Style. We're dancing Gangnam Style. Whoop, 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 whoop. You gonna dance? Yeah. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Not too bad. Yeah, no.
Yeah. You like your scratches, huh? Oh, Solara. Hey, Daddy loves you. Where's Starla at? There's Starla. Hey, Starla. What's everyone doing? Oh, Solara's like, I gotta get in on the action. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at Luna going crazy over here. Boop, 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 boop.
Her leg increase is about 1.5 inches.
Hey, look what you did to the wall when we first moved in. Her old cage would get too close to the dang wall, and she just had to peel the freaking drywall off. So horrible. It won't be hard to fix, though.
There was my smile.
Oh, baby girl.
There was my smile.
You happy, Bart? You dance? Yeah, you'll dance. Yeah, you're not shy at a camera. What are you doing, Starla? What are you doing, Starla? The cockatiel, the sun conure, Solara, and Luna's an African grey, for everyone that's watching. Yeah, we're going to call this the end of the video. We're going to go back and see Callie real quick. Let's go back in the living room. What's Callie doing?
Pushing it out.
Just pushing it out?
Pushing one out.
Oh,
Eh.
that's
Look at
right.
that face.
Oh, it's a lot of work.
What's the name of the book you're reading, Grandma?
It stinks
Oh, it's
too.
your baby's first year for dummies. And it tells you everything you need to know.
That's pretty sweet.
It's a good book. That's a real good book. They didn't have these in my day.
Back in my day, you boys get off my lawn. Alright, Callie. You gonna wave bye-bye? Bye-bye! Someday she'll be able to do it all by herself.
Yes, she will.
Till then, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.